Welcome. Today, we're exploring the remarkable world of oral and maxillofacial surgery. This field combines dentistry, medicine, and surgery to treat complex facial and oral conditions. From corrective jaw surgeries to facial trauma reconstruction, it's a diverse specialty. Oral and maxillofacial surgeons handle a wide range of procedures, including dental implants, wisdom teeth removal, and cleft lip and palate repairs. They're experts in enhancing facial aesthetics and restoring function. What's fascinating is how these surgeons transform lives. Whether it's correcting facial deformities or restoring speech and chewing abilities, their work is life-changing. This field's advancements, such as minimally invasive techniques and digital technologies, ensure safer, more precise treatments. From addressing facial injuries to helping patients regain confidence in their smiles, oral and maxillofacial surgery plays a crucial role in improving overall well-being. Reconstruction. Thank you for joining us in appreciating the impact and innovation within oral and maxillofacial surgery. Stay tuned for more insights into this incredible field.